Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 69, Quranic verses, Keeping Secrets and Fulfilling the Covenant. Fulfill the covenant. The covenant is surely subject to questioning. On the day of judgment, you will be held accountable for your covenant. Al-Isra, 1734. Fulfill Allah's covenant when you have made the covenant, and any commitment that you made among yourselves in Allah's name, and do not break your oaths after having confirmed them. Indeed, you have made Allah your guarantor. An-Nahl, 1691. O you who believe, fulfill the bonds you have entered into with Allah and with people. Al-Ma'idah 5:1. O you who believe, why do you say what you do not do, as well as what you will not do? Most odious it is in the sight of Allah that you say what you do not and will not do. As-Saf 61 verse 2-3. Hadith number 359, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Nikah, 123. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The worst of people in the sight of Allah on the day of rising is a man who goes to his wife, or his wife goes to him, and then he discloses her secret." Hadith number 360, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Manaqib, 25, Istizan, 43, Sahih Muslim, Fadailus Sahaba, 97-99. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, "The wives of the Prophet were with him when Fatima arrived on foot. Her gait was exactly like the gait of the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him. When he saw her, he welcomed her and said, 'Welcome, my daughter.' Then he sat her down on his right or his left. Then he whispered to her, and she wept bitterly. When he saw her grief, he whispered to her a second time, and she smiled. I said to her, 'The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, singled you out before his wives and spoke to you secretly, and then you wept.' When the Messenger of Allah got up, I asked her, 'What did the Messenger of Allah say to you?' She said, 'I would not disclose the Messenger of Allah's secret.' When the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, died, I said, 'I adjure you by the right I have over you. Tell me what the Messenger of Allah said to you.' She said, 'Now I will.' When he whispered to me the first time, he told me that Jibril had recited the Quran to him once or twice every year, and that now he had made him recite it twice. He said, 'I think that my term is near, so be fearful of Allah and be steadfast. I am the best forerunner for you.' So I wept as you saw. When he saw my grief, he whispered to me a second time and said, 'Fatima, are you not pleased to be the leader of the women of the believers, or the leader of the women of this community?' So I smiled as you saw." Hadith number 361, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Iman, 24, Madalim, 17, Sahih Muslim, Iman, 106. Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "If anyone has 4 characteristics, he is a pure hypocrite, and if anyone has one of them, he has an aspect of hypocrisy until he gives it up. Whenever he is trusted, he betrays his trust. Whenever he speaks, he lies. Whenever he makes an agreement, he breaks it. And whenever he quarrels, he deviates from the truth or speaks falsely." Hadith number 362, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tahajjud, 19, Sahih Muslim, Siyam, 185. Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, 'Abdullah, Do not be like so-and-so who used to pray at night, tahajjud, and then stopped doing it.